Mama Travel!
Hey everybody, and welcome to the channel, How Mama Travel. Today we're taking you to the California Science Center. My son is on a field trip today, but I wanted to show you some cool things there are to do here. We're going to be focusing on ecosystems, so jump right in. The California Science Center in Los Angeles is located in Expedition Park right next to the Natural History Museum and the LA Coliseum. And it's one of the best free things you can do with your kids in SoCal. We're talking hands-on exhibits, space shuttles, and tons of interactive fun. It makes science feel like an adventure. The museum is open daily from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. And the best part, it's free. Parking does cost about $20, and there are some special exhibits like the IMAX movies that do have an extra fee. On this trip, we focused our visit on the ecosystems exhibit. There's an actual giant aquarium inside. The Kelp Forest is mesmerizing, and you'll find sharks, rays, and even a tunnel where the kids can crawl under and feel like they're in the ocean. The Island Zone showcases unique island species and how isolation affects evolution. It includes models and rare island animals and plant life.
Yeah, look, all these things are alive. Look at this.
The desert room is a warm and sandy space with real Joshua trees and cacti. It teaches how animals and plants conserve water and survive in extreme heat.
What's in there? Look! It's your opportunity!
Oh, how cute is that? It's a little rock! Be careful with the squeeze and sniff exhibit. I made that mistake of not reading it before I sniffed. Oh my god, I'm in a dry heave. That was so gross. I took a big whiff before I read that it was rotting rat. Read things before you smell it. The Rot Room is a fascinating and slightly creepy exhibit and was a favorite among our kids. It dives into decomposition and the vital role of decay in the ecosystems. The Extreme Zone highlights extreme conditions where life still thrives, like deep sea vents and icy tundras. It features real-life examples of creatures that adapt to harsh environments. The polar region features a real ice wall and a cold environment simulation. It highlights adaptations of animals like penguins and polar bears. I feel like. Ooh, burn! You're gonna get your fingers cold! The Rocky Shore is a hands-on tide pool experience with sea stars, sea anemones, and sea urchins. It demonstrates the challenges of crashing waves and tidal changes. The River Zone explores the power of flowing water in shaping ecosystems. It includes live fish and interactive water features. The Space Shuttle Endeavour, which flew 25 space missions, is a must-see. Unfortunately, this area was under construction during our visit, but don't worry, there was still plenty to explore. Space potty. That's pretty funny.
That is... Oh, Miss Jimbo!
And if you have a little astronaut in the making, this is a must-see. If your kids love to touch everything, then they're in the right place. The Discovery Rooms are perfect for little ones to explore science through play. Weekends do get busy, and I suggest arriving early. There is a cafe, but you can bring your own snacks, which saves money and time, and you can make a day out of it by checking out the Rose Garden and the Natural History Museum next door. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog from the California Science Center. If you did, give the video a like, hit the subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!
Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe and never miss another minute of the fun. And of course, we offer detailed destination guides and travel tips over at our blog, hotmamatravel.com, to make your next family adventure hot.